Well, we've got an email question that that Michelle wrote into us, and so she says, my ex-husband lost his job and has had to move in with 2 friends. That means that when he has custody of the kids, they're now sleeping at somebody else's house. Can I refuse to go along with this arrangement? I don't even know these people. And that's Michelle's email question and concern tonight.
Well, the fact that there is a order in place, when there is an order in place, meaning there's some type of visitation order or custody order, when that's in place, you normally have to follow that. So with that being said, if you're saying that you have some type of safety concerns about the children sleeping at this particular person's home, then that's a little bit different. I still would suggest, if that's a concern, that you would file something with the court. But besides the fact of them simply just being at someone else's home and sleeping at this person's home, does not mean that you can withhold that visitation or custodial time with that particular parent. If you cannot show that there is some type of safety issue with the children being at this person's home, then yes, you would need to go forward with that custodial and visitation arrangement.
So I've got a question about that.
Yes.
If you are in a situation where you're negotiating, and that's what you do a lot, you negotiate divorces between husband and wife, and you get in a situation where, okay, I got a concern about these kids being over here when they're with you. Is that something that you can put in the divorce agreement and negotiate for?
Well, yes, but you will still need to be able to say exactly what that concern is to address it, because you don't want to have this overwhelming agreement or arrangement when you cannot pinpoint what the issue is. So for example, if you're saying, I have some type of concern with the kids being with you at this particular person's home, and that particular person is a concern. Normally in that situation, you can put a no contact order in.
I see.
If you're concerned about the child being around certain people, or if certain things are taking place. Let's say you're saying that drinking, smoking, you can say those things are not to be done around the children when they're in that particular person's custody, or anyone that's in their home around their child.
Okay, fair enough.